Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Jinzo here. Finally got a ban list. Unfortunately, too many things got hit. And not even the right cards got hit. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs up this video. Let me know what you think in comments below. I apologize, I'm a bit out of it entirely right now. I had to get up early this morning. So anywho, first off, banned Nightmare Orcus. I'm gonna tell you guys now. I've already seen this list. Orcus is the only thing, and Pulpwood is the only thing in Orcus that got hit at all. Orcus is near full power, and remember that we still have the new Orcus card coming out in ETCO. So that means that Orcus is still a playable deck. People are like, oh, no, it's bad. No, trust me when I say people are going to find a way to use Orcus. I've already come up with a couple combos in my head. The city of this 1 minute and 5 seconds. I've already come up with some ideas for combos. So yeah, Orcus isn't dead. Orcus isn't dead. Still a very, very viable deck. Thunder Dragon Colossus. I want to say that Thunder Dragons, because again, Thunder Dragon Colossus was the only actual hit Brilliant Fusion to get banned. However, the only direct hit was Colossus. I want to say Thunder Dragons are still alive because you can still have 3 Titans. Excuse me. You still have 3 Thunder Dragon Titans, which is a good card. I just don't know if it's enough to keep Thunder Dragons afloat into the new format, and especially to Master 5, because it takes more to summon it. But keep your eyes on Thunder Dragons is a maybe. And definitely keep sighting for Orcus. Dimensional Shifter and Artifact Lancia gonna be really good. Heavy Metal Electromite, random, I don't know why. Sure, okay. This is more combo decks, Let's not hit control decks fairly, and let's just focus on combo decks like fucking always. Because that's a great way to make a good game, right? A healthy game, no combo decks. It's ridiculous. If you're gonna hit decks, hit both control and combos to balance it out. Combo decks aren't inherently bad. That is dumb. Able the World Chalice. Okay, I don't know why that was banned, but sure, whatever. Demon's Magician, that was a really random hit. I don't see any reason why that should be banned. It might be in the SDK or something. I don't know. Sucks because World Chalice. A lot of these are actually indirectly World Chalice hits. Outer into Artifact, banned. Whatever. Salamangreat banned. I mean, I don't think Salamangreat should have been hit at all. They weren't doing anything crazy, and they weren't even that great to begin with. After the last hit, I know some of the things that come off, but I just don't think. Oh, by the way, Jagglers is still banned, unfortunately. I just noticed that. Brilliant Fusion banned. I don't. Again, World Child is indirectly hit by this, so kind of sucks. Had to figure a way to make it work. Sky Striker Engage. This is the one that makes me think that Sky Strikers are finally dead. That was the only control thing that actually got hit. In fact, that they brought some control cards off the list and hit a card on the list. Sorry, my voice cracked. To make control decks better, and that's bad. Sure, have control decks in your game, but don't make it where control decks are the only thing that is going to be playable. That's a bad game. And even then, I think Konami thought they killed Orcus. They didn't. Orcus is still very much playable. So there is a control deck, a combo deck, luckily, but whatever. So that was the ban list. The ban cards limited. Danger Nessie was semi-limited. Now it's limited. Boo. Why? No one was playing Dangerous really. Dinosaur playing top. People want siding deaths anymore. People just figured there's better cards in the side. So it's weird to see that hit. 7 of Indama, whatever is random, but okay. Two King back at 1. It was banned for a while, like 2-3 years now. It's what, banned in 2017? I think it was like the first hit with dinosaurs, so it's cool to see it at 1. Something else got hit on this list, so it kind of makes this hit irrelevant. I mean, not this hit, but this bring back of the card irrelevant. Um, Card of Demise, well, Card of Demise limited, which is good. You hit control decks. This is what I was talking about. Digonic Diagram limited. With terraforming at 1, it makes it difficult to see this card like ever. Sure you could play Demise Land and Metaverse, but then you have to play some stall because you can't see this. This kind of just killed off 2 Dracos, which is good. I am perfectly okay with 2 Dracos being killed off. Finally, I hate that deck. Into the Void, random, but okay. Panicism set ban. This is what I was excited about. Pot of freaking Avarice is back at 1. Yes, yes, yes. They finally at least gave combo decks a fighting chance. So some of these cards got limited. You can play multiple copies of now because of Avarice. You could shut them back. Avarice is a really cool card. It's definitely going to see play. I don't know in what or how, but I can see it seeing play. I'm thinking about Endangered Dark Worlds. Yeah, Nessie's limited, but Avarice shuffling back 3 cards of 5 monsters, which dangers are a heavy monster deck anyway. Shuffling them back to draw 2 cards is pretty fragging good. Okay, moving on. Salaman, the Seeker's Light. Okay, random hit, but sure, why not? I don't know, that's random. And this is the other one I was talking about. Limited red reboot. So yeah, let's bring some cards off the list out of control, and then hit a card that keeps these control decks in check, and not bring anything else off the list to keep them in check and keep them in line. Sure, you hit mid-range decks like maybe some Backle like Salamangreats, but then you hit Flashshakers, which is definitely back-row heavy. So you pretty much crippled that deck. Now you're going to have decks like Guys. I feel like Guys just walked away from this list. They didn't get touched. I'm gonna tell you guys this now. They didn't get touched, Guys. And now they have Red Reboot Limited, which means that they have less cards to clear. On top of that, 2 other cards came off the list, one of which might actually be a relevant card for the deck. I am scared to see Guys set a Trillion back row format. Set a Trillion back row format is not a healthy format. Okay, sure, we have Twin Twisters, we have Cosmic Cyclone, we have Hatronade. Hatronade doesn't actually deal with backrow, it just bounces it back for a turn. It can change them to continuous traps, blah blah blah. Those cards don't get bounced back. That's a problem. On top of that, Twister, okay, Twin Twister. The problem with that is it only hits 2 cards, which means that you're going to have to open up with a bunch of Twin Twisters to deal with the entire back row. That's not healthy. You shouldn't have to waste 6 cards to get rid of everything, or minimum 2 Twin Twisters, 2 cards of this card, and the MST or something like that. That's 5 cards out of your 6 card hand. Your combo deck better start with have a way to open with those consistently, and only need 1 card to start combo. Because if you don't, then all the guys are just gonna just boom out of here. And so I feel like Guys is going to be a really good deck. Orcus is going to be a really good deck. Thunder Dragons might be a good deck. It's something that you should keep your eye out for. Salamangreat, I feel like are just probably dead. People are saying that it's still playable. No, not really. It might be. There might be something I'm missing. I don't know Diamond Greats that well. Striker dead. Um, so. So anyway, Deep Sea Diva, this card's gonna go to 3 next list. Obviously, they're slowly bringing it back for the new archetype, the new Deep Sea Diva archetype. Tour Guide of the Underworld, cool. Tour Guide, maybe BA might be a thing again. Woohoo! Mind Control, random, but okay. Okay, no longer limited. Dark Arm Dragon. My dad is back, boys. Yes. Honestly, I wouldn't play 1 and 2 anyway. So, and at 2 it wasn't doing anything. At 3 it's not gonna do anything as well. 3 would be too much anyway. You never play it 3 ever. There's no reason to. Okay, moving on. Lady Diva back at 3 again. After being limited for a couple for a year. It's back at 3 because of the other cards that got hit on Diamond Greats. Morphine Jaw number 2. Empty Jaws, boys. Yes. This card is now with Dika, which came out in like 2007. And, which obviously you just pay Morphine Jaw. I don't know if Empty Jaws are going to do anything, really. It'd be cool, but I doubt it. Perform Power Damage Juggler. That's fine, especially with Brilliant Fusion banned. That card's not going to really do anything. Unfortunately, Jet Brilliant Fusion got banned. Tribe Infecting Virus is bad. Tribe Infecting Virus is bad. That's crazy. Not because it's broken or it's going to change the game. No, it's not going to do anything for the meta. What makes it crazy? For y'all kids who are new to this game, Tribe Infecting Virus got banned in 2006. Okay, that was 14 years of being on the ban list. 14 years. That's crazy. And now it went back up in price, probably, which kind of sucks because I played Fury the Deep from Gold format, the structure deck. And that makes Tribe Infecting Virus an expensive freaking card now. Wonderful. And if I try to go buy the structure deck, it's probably went up in price as well. Everybody in the mom's gonna want to get this card for Gold format. Kagari. AKA doesn't freaking matter. Engages ban. Multi-roll is limited, and Widow Anchor is limited. So, and Hornet Drone is limited. By the way, Hornet Drone didn't get banned. Babel didn't get banned. None of the cards that people wanted banned got banned. Was I wrong? Yes, I was, but so was everybody else. I expected the combo starters to get hit based on the fact that they wanted to start a new stuff, which is why the mindset is still there. They wanted to sell a new card, and it's gonna be hard to sell a new card when you have people still playing the old stuff. But Kami is fucked up because people would have still played the new card anyway. So, because that new card is actually pretty darn good. Book of the Moon. Again, this card got limited on the 2006 FNL list. That again is a 14-year span of being limited. And people have been saying that this card should come back, or it's going to come back for a very, very, very long time, for over 10 years now. It's finally back. Yes. Also, I just realized that I still have to highlight it. And then, like, Wake Up Magic launch, who cares? No one cares. Like, some warning. This is the other card that I was. This was the card I was talking about earlier. Guys, 3 strike, 3 warning, 3 judgment. You know, this is dangerous. And then Soul Drain. I don't think anybody's gonna play Soul Drain really, but we'll see. Anyway, this is the FNL list. I hope you guys enjoyed the subscribe and thing below. I will catch you guys later. This is Legion, though. So, yeah. Bye.